I am Rohan Tilakshwar, he is my friend Santoship. Explain about circle, and I explain about area of circle. Area of circle is the amount space, the space amount of space inside the circle. How we calculate it? We calculate it by a simple formula pi r square. How it is pi r square? See, it is a circle. When we divide its sector into a parallelogram or one rectangle, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Then this one is pi r. Then this is radius.
Why it is pi r?
Because the circumference, then this is pi r, and this is radius. This is length of rectangle, this is breadth of rectangle. Then we into this pi r into r equal to pi.
Solar tracking system, and we have made it by a microcontroller known as Arduino Uno, and it will adjust the solar panel according to the sun rays. As per you can see here sun rays are not falling, so here it is moving. Now here sun rays are not falling, so here it is rotating. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ayush Kumar Kisan. Here we have some AI apps that you can use in your daily life. So my friend Ayush will start.
This is Radio Garden. This website can help you access radio from all over the world. This is Shazam. Many times it has happened that you have listened a song and you want to listen that again, but you don't know the name. This app can tell you the name of the song.
Edit videos for videos using a third app. In this app, it is famous for using AI.
Everything is there. I took from the parents to the videos.
Second Earth or Mars orbit. So actually Mars rovers are sent to search these all signs.
And it has many parts also. This is the board-like structure which is known as chassis. It helps to organize and protect all the parts of this Mars rover. This is the ultrasonic sensor. It has two nozzles. One nozzle sends ultrasonic sound waves, another receives ultrasonic sound waves. By doing this process, they calculate the distance between the object and the ultrasonic sensor. If it is less than 20 cm, then it will change its route. And if there is no obstacle in its route, then it will move there. It has a Quarky chip which helps it to, also known as the motherboard of this whole Mars rover, which helps the systems like this ultrasonic sensor, servo motor.
Today I am going to present my project hydroponics. Hydroponics is a technique of growing plants without the need of sun. By the newly released contract, it can grow by itself. It has some benefits also. Hydroponics modern roles for hilly areas. So in hilly areas there are this type of one-way U-turns, and between that U-turns there are so many trees.
weight sensor. So if car A and car B are going and car A first stands upon the pressure plate, so this light glows and then this car B will know that one car is coming from the other side and it will be alert and stop. Then this car will simply go and that second car will go. When this is my first project, heat electricity. So this is a heat sensor, and heat sensor is a device which is used to measure the heat capacity of an object, and it converts the heat capacity into electrical signals or electricity. So in this process of electricity generation, this heat sensor consists of two conductors attached to two junctions. One is hot and one is cold. And when here will be burned waste materials like cardboard, dust particles and others. This due to the heat, some charging particles like electrons flow from the hot side to the cold side, generating electricity.